Hi everybody, welcome to DIY Flip, and today I have another project with my flip-flops. I'm going to design these flip-flops onto this kind of design. And today is no sewing, it's just gluing. And I bought all these lace. I bought it in Amazon, or you could get it on your craft store. Okay, so what you're gonna need a pair of brand new flip-flops, and these are size, as you can see, they size 5, 6. You're gonna need some scissors to cut the lace, and you're going to need a glue gun with some glue sticks. If you want to use E6000, you can use E6000, but today I'm using the glue gun. Okay, so this project is very, very fast. You don't have to take the flip-flop straps out. You can leave it right on it, and I'm just going to glue it. Okay, so all right, let us start. All right, you take your flip-flop, and this is going to be the easiest, faster project that you could do for your flip-flop. You just get one of the lace. You could get these laces, they come in straps, long straps, ribbons, lace, and then you could cut it. I cut this one. So you just get your lace on flower, and you get a piece of lace. They sell them in all sizes, and this one fits automatically for this trim. So you get this one, and you cut it to your side. Make sure you cut it to your side, because every foot is different. Okay, and then I have one here, and then for the trim, and then I have another one, 2 of them for the straps. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to glue the flower. I like to put a lot of glue because I want my flower to make sure it stays hold on. So I'm going to put it with the leaves going up, and I'm going to center the flower right in the middle of the flip-flop. So make sure you have it right in the middle. You push it in. If you have glue going around, that's all right, because you could just easily peel it off. It peels off easily. Like I said, you could do this if you want to with E6000. It will hold stronger with the E6000. Or you could just sew it on if you want to. You could sew it on after you glue it. If your lace decides to, as you walking, and your lace decides to come out on its own while you're walking, all you have to do is sew it onto the strap. Okay, so that's the first thing we're going to do. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the other lace, one of the lace, and we're going to put it right over here. And I want to make sure I have the same direction of the same design going down. So I'm going to make sure that it's laid this way, and I want to put it underneath. Make sure it's underneath the flower lace. All right, so I'm going to glue a little bit. I like to do a little bit at a time. I'm just going to glue it without getting burned, because that glue is very hot, and I want to make sure it's nice and even. All right, I want to make sure it's right under there, like this. See, I put it under there, and then I just put the lace flower on top of it so it could be glued together. All right, make sure your lace is even too on your strap, you know, that it's not crooked or anything. So I will continue gluing it. This is such a fast project to do that you could do this for your daughter in the summertime, you know, or whoever lives in Florida or in the islands in the hot area. You could do this for yourself or for your daughter. You could use this for a wedding or for when you dress up your daughters, you know, to parties, anything that they're gonna have a nice elegant a beautiful dress, elegant dress. You could dress them up and make these sandals with a nice pretty dress, a white dress, nice shorts, doesn't matter. Okay, so I glued it all the way, and my strap is kind too long already, so I just want to glue it up to here. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it in this area. I get my scissors, and I just want to cut it because it's way too long. So I'm gonna cut it just a little bit. Okay, just about there is good. Oops, sorry, just about there is good. So I cut it, and I'm gonna finish gluing the other piece. These sandals are gonna look so beautiful with lace. I think when they have the lace on, they make you look so pretty on your feet, you know, like very elegant, very beautiful, with any style dresses that you want to wear it. And you could always get, if you want to, you could always get the lace, pink lace and pink flower lace, any color, yellow, or you know, and me, I have white. So now I'm going to put the other one. I'm going to glue the other one on the other side. I'm going to move my lace flower, and I'm just going to put a very little bit, and then I'm going to put my other lace. Got to make sure that it's lined up in the bottom, that it's down. I want to glue that lace on top of it too, so there we go. I want to make sure that the other one is on, which it is. Okay, now I'm going to finish gluing the rest of the strap. And this is going to be also long, so I'm going to have to cut the lace because it's too long for my flip-flop. Be very careful as you're doing this because the glue is very hot. And I'm going to cut it right there. Okay. I usually like to I usually like to take the strap out because I want to get it. But this is so easy that you don't really have to take the strap out. And I did not measure the centimeters. So all I did is I did it by eye, by just having it long and then decide to cut it. So you could do the same thing. You don't have to measure. You just cut a long piece that's long enough, and then if it's too long, you could cut it in the end. All right. See how fast that was? Like I said, if you're gonna do this with the E6000, make sure that you leave your sandals to sit overnight for one whole day, for it could be nice and secure and dry. And if you don't feel that the glue is secure enough, you can always sew it. Okay, now I'm going to do the trim. I'm going to start from the back, and I'm going to glue just a little bit. And the trim, I want to do it right in the middle. You see how it is? Like this. It's right in the middle. So I want to put it right in the middle of the flip-flop. This is one of the easiest project to do if you want to do something real fast with your sandals, with your flip-flops. This is very easy and fast. Make sure that it's nice and secure and glued on, that your lace don't come out. So make sure it gets dry really good, and that you have enough glued on it. To put it. I want to thank everybody also for watching my videos and for sharing my videos. Please do subscribe to my videos. I'm hoping that in the future that I will get up to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm just started this summer. I started doing this, so I really don't have a lot of subscribers. I think I only have 25, but tell everybody about my channel and share it with everybody and tell them to subscribe to my channel. I'll be very happy about that, and I thank you. Whoever did subscribe, you know, I want to thank you very much for watching my channel and subscribing. Thank you. Okay, so I'm almost done here. This is a 1, 2, 3 project. So 1, 2, 3 project. Don't need to do a lot of work to this. There's no sewing, so this is a very easy project because you don't have to sew. And I know how a lot of people take forever sewing. So this is one project that you don't have to sew, that you could just do without sewing. All you have to have is a glue gun or E6000 and some lace around. All right. You will get a lot of glue in your fingers, but that's very easy to come out. Okay, so here's the end, and I'm almost done. Okay. Sorry about that. I end up to the end, and I'm almost done, and I'm going to cut a little bit in the back because it's too long, so I really don't need that much. All right, so I'm all done, and this is the way it's supposed to look. Let me move some of my glue. Now all you have to do is you see any little extra, look for any glue sticking out, and you just pull it and that you don't need, and you fix it. But this is the way it's supposed to look. As you can see, that was a fast, easy project to do 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. So this is how it should look, and I'm all done. All done. Okay. Thank you for watching, and may everybody be blessed. God bless. Bye.